Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about 4 immediate benefits of ice cubes for your skin. When it comes to beauty hacks, an ice cube is the most underrated product. It's easy to make and extremely versatile. Best of all, it is practically free. There's probably some in your freezer right now. The effects of using ice cubes on the face are amazing. These 4 benefits of ice cubes for your skin will elevate your beauty routine, making it easier to deal with common skin issues. Number 1. Reduce pimples and inflammation. One of the most popular uses of ice cubes is for shrinking acne. A pimple is a small injury. After all, ice can calm redness and swelling, especially if you have cystic acne. It can even relieve pain in the same way it numbs bruises. However, remember that pimples are sensitive and also full of bacteria, so be careful when applying an ice cube on the face for acne. Ice cubes are not just for acne. Maybe your rosacea is flaring up, or maybe you had bad allergic reaction. Whatever the case, ice cubes will bring down the inflammation. Wash your face and dry it with a towel. Wrap the ice cube in a clean paper towel or place in a plastic bag. Place it exactly on top of the acne for 1 minute. Give a break of 5 minutes and then start over if required. If you've been using an essential oil you're not allergic to, add a drop of it on the cloth covering the ice cube before using. Alternatively, you can give the affected areas a gentle massage using aloe vera, orange, or lemon ice cubes. Choose the one that best suits your skin. Number 2. Remove swellenness and boost circulation. Fix dull skin by running an ice cube on your face. The coldness will boost your circulation, helping bring blood and color to your skin. Your complexion will naturally brighten even before you apply makeup. Wash your face and dry it with a towel. Wrap the ice cube in a clean paper towel or place in a plastic bag. Gently rub the ice cube on your face and neck in massage-like movements. Do not apply excess pressure as it can be harsh on the skin. Once done, let the moisture dry naturally. 3. Relieve puffy eyes. Any form of cold packs is an amazing remedy for puffy or tired eyes, and these include plain ice cubes or those made out of milk or green tea. However, since the skin around the eyes is delicate, the cubes should not be used for a long duration. Make ice cubes using plain water, green tea, or milk. Wash your face and dry it. Wrap the ice cubes in a paper towel or plastic bag. Gently press the cubes on your eyes for short periods. Once done, dry the skin with a towel. Number 4. Reduce and delay the appearance of wrinkles. Wrinkles are inevitable as you age, but you can definitely delay their appearance by keeping the skin well hydrated. Ice cubes will give you a quick facial, tightening the skin and keeping moisture locked in. Wash your face with warm or hot water and dry it. Wrap the cubes in a plastic cover or paper towel. Glide this over your skin till the cube melts. This will tighten your pores.